Welcome, viewers, to the Minute Digest, your source for fascinating insights in just 4 minutes. Today, we're diving into the unexpected history of rice, challenging some common beliefs along the way. Did you know that rice wasn't just a humble grain but a catalyst for cultural exchange? Contrary to popular belief, rice didn't originate solely in Asia. Recent archaeological findings suggest its presence in Africa long before it made its way to the East. Imagine the journey this grain has taken, connecting continents in a culinary dance. Now, let's debunk the myth that rice was always a staple for the masses. In medieval Europe, rice was a luxury item, gracing the tables of the elite. It was the OG status symbol. So, next time you enjoy a bowl of risotto, remember, you're indulging in a dish once reserved for the creme de la creme. Fast forward to modern times, and the debate around brown versus white rice. Contrary to the prevailing notion that brown rice is always the healthier choice, it's essential to consider individual health needs. White rice isn't a villain, it's a versatile option that can be part of a balanced diet. The key is moderation and understanding your nutritional requirements. In conclusion, the history of rice is a tapestry woven with surprises, challenging our assumptions and inviting us to appreciate its diverse journey. Join us next time for more bite-sized revelations on the Minute Digest, where knowledge meets charisma in just 4 minutes.